Welcome to my channel, my viewers and my subscribers. In today's video, I'll be showing you 2 ways to make carrot oil for skin lightening. With this method, the carrot oil will last longer and still contain all the important nutrients. The benefits of the carrot oil. Carrot oil lightens the dark spots and helps to heal the scars. So in today's video, I will encourage you to just watch patiently and see how I make my carrot oil. Thank you, my viewers and my subscribers. When added to a carrier oil or to a cream emulsion, carrot seed oil has antimicrobial, antioxidant, and anti-inflammatory properties that may improve skin health and even prevent aging. It has a warm, airy aroma and is believed to offer a variety of health benefits, including the reduction of stress and anxiety,